Aloo Hashbrowns.
To grated potatoes soaked in water for 5 minutes. To TBSPs of maida and 1 TBSP of corn flour. 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and half TSP of red chili flakes. Salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Strain grated potato. Press and remove excess water. Transfer grated potato in a mixing bowl. Add chicken powder and chili flakes. Add salt and black pepper powder. Add maida and corn flour. Combine and mix well. No water is required. Semi-solid consistency batter is done. Heat oil, give shape and fry hash browns. Fry on medium to high flame. Stir in between. Fry until golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Hash browns are fried well. Remove them. Aloo hash browns are done. Crispy and tasty aloo hash browns are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.